We guide you through how to change your country on Instagram in the simplest and most effective way. First thing to do is to open Instagram and tap your profile icon, then tap the three lines in the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and enter the account center, then tap Personal Details. Here, choose Profile Information and update your country or region if Instagram allows it based on your account type. To influence the content Instagram shows you, go back to Settings and Privacy, tap Language, and switch to a language commonly used in the country you want. Next, scroll to your app and media activity, then tap Content Preferences to refresh your recommended region. You can also clear your search history and interact with Reels, posts, and accounts from the country you want, which teaches Instagram's algorithm your new preference. For stronger results, enable a VPN on your phone, connect to the country you want, then force close and reopen Instagram so it detects your new location. After doing all these steps, Instagram will gradually adjust your recommended reels, explore page ads, and even shop features to match your update region.